I'm
चलिए,
my
ये ग्राउंड हमारे सामने नहीं चलते। आपका केस ये है, अगर इसमें ऑब्जर्वेशन देंगे कि काउंसिल वाज नॉट प्रेजेंट एंड देयरफॉर शी हैज नो राइट टू आर्ग्यू, देन दैट विल प्रेजुडिस। नहीं, अथॉरिटी अपॉलॉजी इज रिजेक्टेड। तो एक दूसरे की देखने से तो कुछ होगा नहीं मैडम, अगले केस में अपना भाग्य ट्राई करिएगा। चलिए, हेड नोट नहीं पढ़ा जाता मैडम, जजमेंट हेड नोट से नहीं पढ़े जाते। आप तो दिल्ली से आई हैं, दिल्ली में हम लोग तो तहसील कोर्ट में भी नहीं पढ़ते, हम तो तहसील कोर्ट के वकील हैं। सारा आर्ग्यूमेंट लिख लूंगा मैं, जितना आप आर्ग्यूमेंट कर रही हैं ना।
Yes, your lordship.
जी,
What was the
उसमें दिल्ली में आपकी बेइज्जती होगी। हाँ मैडम बताइए।
Your lordship, the issue in this case is that my qualification prevailing on the date of application has been not considered. I passed higher secondary first. Thereafter, I applied for the compassionate appointment. Kindly see, your lordship, and this is the also the error apparent on the face of the record, your lordship.
जी, क्या क्या ऑर्डर है?
Order, your lordship, it is on page number 14, your lordship. And
14
yes,
कनेक्शन P1।
P1.
जी, क्या कह दिया?
Para 3 first, that the petitioner consent.
आप पहले तो आई नहीं थी, एब्सेंस में तो कोई रिव्यू होता नहीं। आप अगर आएंगे नहीं, हम मेहनत करें, देख के पिटीशन डिसाइड करें।
I'm really sorry about it.
नहीं, यू शुड बी सॉरी।
I couldn't manage. Actually, I got like there was an important case in
ठीक है, दिस केस वाज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट, so there is no ground for review.
case, your lordship. I'm really
नहीं,
tender my sincere apology, lordship. But kindly hear this matter. My client should not suffer because of my mistake, lordship, and this was my mistake, your lordship. And this is why perhaps this review petition I'm doing pro bono, your lordship. I haven't charged anything for
that
this
is we are not concerned with it. We are also doing cases pro bono here only.
I'm
चलिए,
my
ये
sincere
ग्राउंड हमारे सामने नहीं चलते। आपका केस ये है कि आपको चपरासी के पद पर जो है कंपैशनेट अपॉइंटमेंट दिया गया। अब आप क्या चाहती है, क्योंकि आप क्वालिफाइड हैं, इसलिए जो है आपको जो है क्लास 3 पोस्ट पे कंपैशनेट अपॉइंटमेंट देना चाहिए। ये लॉ जो है हमने लिखी है, आपने पढ़ी, स्टेट ऑफ राजस्थान वर्सेस उमराव सिंह, पढ़ा कि नहीं पढ़ा आपने? क्या लिखा है इसमें? क्या लिखा है इसमें?
seeking upgradation
इज नॉट परमिसिबल, इज नॉट परमिसिबल, इज नॉट परमिसिबल।
No, your lordship, I am challenging the appointment itself because this appointment has been not made in accordance with the law. There are plethora of
So ठीक है,
cases
so
of this-
we'll ask them to dismiss you because you are not satisfied this appointment on the post of peon, and then consider your application.
Your lordship, I have right to challenge my appointment if it is not made in accordance with the law.
Not in a review petition. Sorry, not in a review petition.
There is apparent error on the face of the record.
हम अगर इसमें ऑब्जर्वेशन देंगे कि काउंसिल वाज नॉट प्रेजेंट एंड देयरफॉर शी हैज नो राइट टू आर्ग्यू, देन दैट विल प्रेजुडिस। नहीं, अथॉरिटी अपॉलॉजी इज रिजेक्टेड, अपॉलॉजी इज रिजेक्टेड। चलिए,
Your lordship, I board on
टाइम से आना चाहिए, टाइम से आना चाहिए। जबलपुर के लोकल हैं आप, कोई बाहर से, आपने बता दिया बाहर से आए। इसमें वकालतनामे में आपने लिखा है आकांक्षा सिंह, विजयनगर जबलपुर। जब विजयनगर जबलपुर, फिर बाहर से कैसे हो गया? विजयनगर क्या नगर सीमा के बाहर है क्या?
No, your lordship.
वकालतनामा देखिए, आपका खुद का वकालतनामा देखिए, उसमें लिखा है विजयनगर जबलपुर। देखिए ना वकालतनामा, तो देखिए मैडम, कंप्यूटर पे दिखाओ अतुल जी इनको वकालतनामा। सुबह आप कह रही थी आप आउट स्टेशन काउंसिल हैं, वकालतनामे में आप स्वयं लिखती है, कोई और हस्ताक्षर बनाता है आपके वकालतनामे में? इसमें लिखा हुआ है आकांक्षा सिंह MP 2202/2020 विजयनगर जबलपुर, एड्रेस फॉर इफ एनी विजयनगर जबलपुर, ईमेल एड्रेस खाली छोड़ दिया, फिर टेलीफोन नंबर और फिर हस्ताक्षर। इन्होंने भर दिया था क्या? अच्छा, अब एक दूसरे की देखने से तो कुछ होगा नहीं मैडम, अगले केस में अपना भाग्य ट्राई करिएगा। चलिए, चलिएगा।
Your lordship,
There is no merit in the case. Petitioner has filed this review petition seeking review of order dated 31st January 2023, passed in WP 20431 of 2011. Next para.
cite a case, your lordship.
दीजिए ना, दीजिए केस दीजिए।
Your lordship, this is the case Delhi Jal Board, your lordship.
अगर बताइएगा वकालतनामे में किसने किसी दूसरे की राइटिंग है तो उनके खिलाफ फिर फोर्जरी का केस दर्ज करें। अब तो सजा भी बढ़ गई।
Actually, I was not available and it has been done by.
चलिए चलिए
I live in
हाँ।
Delhi, your lordship.
चलिए अच्छी बात है।
I'm really sorry about it.
नहीं नहीं चलिए, कौन सा पैराग्राफ पढ़ना है बताइए।
Lordship, the first para only, your lordship.
ये पढ़िए।
As per the settled law, qualification prevailing.
एज पर दी सेटल्ड लॉ तो पहला पैरा है ही नहीं, फीलिंग एग्रीव्ड से है पहला पैरा। जजमेंट पढ़ रहे हैं ना आप?
जी जजमेंट पढ़ रही हो, ऑपरेटिंग पार्ट योर लॉर्डशिप।
ऑपरेटिंग पार्ट मतलब फर्स्ट पैरा में ऑपरेटिंग पार्ट कब से आने लगा? अरे मैडम आप तो दिल हेड नोट नहीं पढ़ा जाता मैडम, जजमेंट हेड नोट से नहीं पढ़े जाते। आप तो दिल्ली से आई हैं, दिल्ली में हम लोग तो तहसील कोर्ट में भी नहीं पढ़ते, हम तो तहसील कोर्ट के वकील हैं रहे हैं, तहसील में भी हेड नोट से नहीं पढ़ा जाता।
योर लॉर्डशिप पैरा नंबर Your Lordship, para number 7.3,
7.3
considering the educational qualification shall be the date on which the application for compassionate appointment was considered. See, Your Lordship, page number.
Madam, why did you accept the appointment? The only question is, all these questions would have been available to you had you refused to accept appointment on the post of peon.
And I'm the eldest son in my family.
Yes.
Entire family is saying ki accept whatever you are getting. But
Ji.
I saw in the department that the other people who were also 12th passed and their parents, their father was also in the same post, class 3. They all were given class 3.
कब मालूम पड़ा आपको ये?
Lordship.
कब मालूम पड़ा आपको ये?
This is something very arbitrary.
नहीं कब मालूम पड़ा? आर्बिट्ररी तो है ही मैडम।
Just next year, Your Lordship, I got appointment in 2010
हाँ।
and I got to know about all these things in 2011.
Okay.
Then the petitioner asked the department ki were there vacancies any on the class 3? There were vacancies. Totally qualified, though I was not given. So this is something arbitrary. This is
Acha.
something not in accordance with the law, Your Lordship.
ठीक।
Your
What?
Lordship, kindly see the page number, Your Lordship. Page number 32, Your Lordship.
32 of
32 of the review petition, Your Lordship.
जी annexure
Annexure is P6, Your Lordship.
क्या लिखा है इसमें?
Your Lordship, the Abhay Shankar, the applicant Abhay Shankar, he also passed 12th class and his father was also assistant teacher.
जी।
But he was given a class 3 post and the order was issued by the Karyalaya Sanyukt Sanchalak Lok Shiksha Vibhag, Rewa. Where is Your Lordship on page
आपका अपॉइंटमेंट ऑर्डर किसने जारी किया है?
कलेक्टर ने किया।
सीधी में ना?
सीधी में, इसको
जी।
रीवा भेजा तक नहीं।
रीवा भेजने का प्रावधान है क्या?
यस योर लॉर्डशिप, इफ कोई 12th पास है तो उसको हायर अथॉरिटी में भेजा जाए।
सारा आर्गुमेंट लिख लूंगा मैं, ये जितना आप आर्गुमेंट कर रही हैं ना।
यस योर लॉर्डशिप, व्हाट वाज द
उसमें दिल्ली में आपकी बेइज्जती होगी।
सेंड टू द रीवा
दिल्ली में
हायर अथॉरिटी।
अच्छा चलिए ये भी लिखा दूंगा मैं। और बताइए बताइए। This review petition is filed and please now wait, begging will not help you। वो ऑर्डर आ गया था, ऑर्डर डेटेड आ गया था सब इतना Learned counsel for the petitioner placing reliance on annexure P6 submits that there are facts and circumstances. One Abhay Shankar Mishra was given appointment on a class 3 post as assistant grade 3 on compassionate basis by the Joint Director Public Instructions Rewa Division Rewa, whereas petitioner being the son of assistant teacher posted in Sindhi district was not given appointment on a class 3 post but was given compassionate appointment on the post of peon. Full stop. It is next para. It is submitted by case of the petitioner should have been sent to Rewa if any class 3 post was not available and vacant at Sindhi. Full stop. Next para. After hearing learned counsel, therefore it is prayed that petitioner's appointment of peon be quashed and petitioner be directed to be given compassionate appointment on a class 3 post. Next para. After hearing learned counsel for the petitioner, certain facts are required to be noted. Firstly, petitioner counsel was not available on the date when impugned order was passed. Full stop. Petitioner's counsel claimed that she is an outstation counsel, but her wakalatnama on record shows that she has claimed herself to be resident of Vijayanagar, Jabalpur. Full stop. This wakalatnama is available on record. Therefore, there is no justification for not being available when the matter was taken up for decision. Next pair. Petitioner cannot take advantage of fault of his counsel who failed to appear and assist the court when writ petition was taken up for hearing. Next. As far as plea of sending the matter to Riva is concerned, there is no genesis or basis for such argument. Full stop. Admittedly, petitioner's father was working as assistant teacher in district CD, and therefore, as per the stipulation in the policy, matter was considered by the collector CD. Full stop. Petitioner was required to demonstrate through record that a class 3 post was available in the district of CD. Full stop. This argument that matter should have been referred to Riva to claim parity with annexure P6 is too far-fetched. Full stop. Riva being a separate district from CD, there is no provision for sending application for grant of compassionate appointment to any other district. Full stop. Thus, petitioner having failed to demonstrate that there was any clear class vacancy available in the cadre of class 3 at CD, petitioner is not entitled to claim any preferential treatment for appointment merely on the basis of his qualification as higher secondary. Full stop. Qualification is only indicative and supportive. It does not create any vested right in favor of the petitioner. Full stop. Petitioner, after having accepted an appointment on a class 4 post and worked for over 1 year, is stopped from filing this writ petition or review petition in view of the law laid down by Supreme Court in State of Rajasthan versus Umrao Singh 1994 ka 6 SCC 560, and therefore when considered there is no illegality in the impugned order calling for review. Full stop. Petition fails and is dismissed.
Number 92 रेवेन्यू मैटर है
है?
रेवेन्यू मैटर
हाँ बताइए ना.
एनेक्सर